Hello, it's George at Suprema again. Today I'm going to be going through the FSF2 or the FaceStation F2, our leading facial reader at the moment. It's IP rated and uses the new FaceStation algorithm. So let's open the box. So within the box you will have the actual wall template to install the bracket, the FSF2 unit itself, the back plate to install onto the diagram, the wires to connect to the very back of the device, the gasket for the very back, as this is an IP65 rated device, and then the installation kit that you would use to install the bracket. So I will connect the wires first just so it is a bit easier to explain. So once the cables are installed, the very first one you'll want to connect are the power cables. This device is rated as 24 volt, but it can be used with 12 volt if the ampage is correct. We would always recommend 24 volt, however, as it's more secure. There is then the weakened input cables. These are so that you can link it to an existing system or link a separate reader to the device so that it can be used as an exit reader. There is then the RS485 cables that can be used to connect it as on RS to either the core station or to connect another device into this device. And then the relay cable so that you can connect the door lock directly to the device itself. Of course, you could also connect a secure I/O to this, which would then separate the relay. There is also the network cable to connect it into the network, which would then link it into BioStar 2. So the front of the device, it does look like a tablet as mounted onto the wall. These devices are IP65 rated as well, which is why it includes a gasket for the back to go on top of the wires. Once installed onto the wall, they do look really smart. The best parts about the FaceStation F2 is just of how much it can do. You can enroll facial enrolments on the device via JPEG images so that you can take a selfie on your phone. There is also the thermal add-on that you can get onto this, where the camera sits at the very top of the device and you can scan users' temperatures. You can use this with our new mobile credential as well, so that gives 4 different types of authentication: face, card, ID and PIN, and mobile credential. So that was going through the FSF2, one of our best devices out at the moment. Thanks for watching.